here we are going to fold the hijab and the box through 2 to 3 times. Okay, then you'll place it on your head, as you can see. Okay, the scarf that I'm using, it's rectangular and it's very long, so I've only used the half of it. Okay, not even a half, maybe a quarter of, yeah, quarter of it. After making sure it's tight and comfortable, you'll take the whole of the hijab. Okay, you'll flip it. The upper side you'll take it downward, and the downward side you bring it upward. Okay, like that, and you'll pin it, as you can see. Then I'm going to flip it, the other edge of the headscarf, and flip it to the other side, as you can see in the video. Okay, then you need to pin it. So guys, if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell in order to be notified. This design is very simple and easy, as this is the result, and I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, onto this, our second design, we are going to use a chiffon material. Okay, the first procedures that I've used in the first video, you can also apply it here, but for this design I've divided this headscarf into two, the longer side and a shorter side. Okay, and for this one I'm not going to tie it, rather I'm going to pin it at the back. Yeah, as you can see, I'm using a safety pin, 2 safety pins. The safety pins are enough for this design, because here I'm not planning to use any more pins. Okay, for this we're going just to play with the hijab without pins. So the hijab is divided into two, the longer side and shorter side. I'm going to take my shorter side and flip it around my neck. Okay, as you can see in the video. After that, I'll take the longer side. Okay, flip it around my neck like that, and yeah, this is the final result. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.